everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do a Beebeecraft unboxing. I am participating in their YouTube program where you apply for it and you pick out some items and they send them to you to review on your channel. So you do one unboxing and then 2 videos to follow of what you made, demonstration and everything. I will link their YouTube program down below in the description box with their website and all the merchandise you see here. And I will also have a coupon code. I'll run it across the screen here. And I'll also have it linked down below. You save $5. I think it's over $40. You can save $5. So I will have that all linked down below. I hope you go check them out. So I got a few things here to make. And so I'm going to unbox these items and then I'm going to have some videos to follow after that. So I'll show you the first item I got. So here is my list. So the first item I got was this here. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see what it is. It's just a bracelet kit. I think what I ordered for Halloween. So I love these types of bracelets. They're fun and they're easy to make. And so that's what the box looks like. Okay. Take my scissors. Okay, and so here is the little kit. And I love these snake chains. That's what they're called. They're really fun to use. Really easy. And I made them before. And I love how the case comes. And it comes with this really adorable pouch. Look at that pouch. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. I love that pattern. Anyway, this is a snake chain. It comes with one, which I like. And you unclip it here. Let's see here. Right like that, and it undoes. You just put it. Isn't that super cute? And then, so that was part of my box there. And then I ordered some beads you put on these. These are, I like these kind of beads. Different types here. All different types of colors. Those are made for the snake chains. And then I ordered these too because these are easy to put on the snake chains. They're just the hands. Skeleton hands, the spider's skeleton hands. So skeleton, it's a different mixture, and you put those on those snake chains. So there's that. Oops, I'm jumping all over. And so I got some of these. I like these cute bows with different colors. And to, you know, whatever you make, stitch markers or earrings, bracelets, whatever, tassels, so forth. They got the holes in them. And these are my favorite colors because I love pastels. So I thought this was super cute. You can just see it's Excuse my nails, they're awful. Anyway, so right there. And then I got this here. It says, "Nice beads for you." So let's open it up. And so open it up and see what kind of goodies in here. Oh, that's right, these stones. I got these to make angels and stuff. Look at this plastic container. I absolutely love it. Has a nice lid to it. It was covered in this plastic. And by the way, this was all wrapped up, really secured. I screwed up my camera. It was so well packed. It had all this bubble wrap on it and these plastic. It was just very secure. So I thank you, Beebeecraft, for making sure my package arrived safely. And like I said, isn't these gorgeous? I actually love these like teardrop looking beautiful beads. I'm really excited to use those as well. So that is my Beebeecraft unboxing. I cannot wait to show you what I made with this bracelet. And yeah, everything is just so pretty and well packed. And thank you, Beebeecraft, for allowing me to show your product on my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it. Please let your friends know about my Beebeecraft unboxing. I hope you can share me out and have the other people watch, and check out my coupon code down below. If you haven't participated in their YouTube program, please check that out. If you don't want to do that, check out their website and see what they have. A lot of cute stuff for crafting, a lot. So anyway, guys, I'm glad I'm back on here. Please stay safe, be well, and as always, God bless.